Hi everyone, I'm Cassandra Garcia, Global Pro Artist for Bobbi Brown, and I'm here today to share with you my Skinimalist skincare routine. What does Skinimalist mean? It means less products, but the right products for you. I'm talking about when you're feeling a little bit tired of that same routine, maybe you want to pare it down a bit, or maybe your skin needs a little break from the regular routine. You can always use a little bit less. So I've already cleansed my skin with our Soothing Cleansing Oil, which is my favorite go-to cleanser. Next step, I'm gonna reach for Moisture Solution Skin Remedies. And as you can see, this is a really lovely oil-based serum that really just gives a boost of moisture to my skin. Sometimes you don't wanna do too much. A couple drops of this in the palm of your clean hands, and you wanna massage it right into the skin. See how this is already giving me a glow? I have combination skin, so I always put a little bit more around my nose. That's where I get most dry, and my chin. Next step is gonna be my Extra Repair Serum. This is almost like a serum and moisturizer in one. I'm gonna apply it directly onto my skin. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Serum is a little bit of a lighter consistency. It's a lighter formula, so it will enter the complexion a lot faster. It's packed with antioxidants, feels really good, and it actually adds a touch of hydration. You can kind of see that on my skin reflecting. Next up, our vitamin-enriched eye base, packed with antioxidants. Take a smell of it first. I'm gonna apply that right underneath my eye, which instantly brightens me up into the temple. And I just like to massage slowly as I go on. It really helps to nourish around my under eye, which the skin is so delicate. So make sure you use a light finger. This is perfect for concealer. I use it at night as well as my eye cream. Next step, vitamin enriched face base. This is the perfect face base moisturizer, and it really just cushions my complexion and locks that moisture in. So think about it. We did our moisture boost, a serum, eye cream, and face cream. Super simple, keeps it really moisturized, and preps my skin for foundation and all day wear, or I can just go to sleep. So there you have it, the perfect Skinimalist skincare routine. I hope this was really helpful. Remember, it's not about having all the products, it's about having the right ones that are perfect for you.